The spline command is the existing command, but the enhancement is that you can make use of a polyline profile to create the spline. So in this exercise, I've got 3 normal polylines. Now they were just created by, if you go to draw and you make use of the P-line command. And then you'll see I've got a 3D polyline as well. But I'm first going to show you how you can apply a spline to existing normal 2D polylines. So the command is under draw, circle arc, and we go down to spline. Caddie will ask us, select spline type. Now, as you can see, my first profile, I'm going to ask to be open forced. So click on open forced, and Caddie will ask us now, indicate the spline control point from P for polyline, 3D polyline, or U for undo last point. So I'm going to press P for polyline. Caddie asks us indicate the polyline. So I indicate the polyline, and it creates a spline according to my polyline profile. If I want to repeat the command, I can just press spacebar on the keyboard. And as you can see, my shape on the right hand side that presents, say for instance, you've traced a dam, and now I'm going to say it's going to be a closed forced. Once again, Caddie asks us indicate the spline control points. Because I know it's a polyline, I'm going to press P for polyline, and I'm going to indicate the polyline. Press spacebar to repeat the command, and I'm going to keep my orthogonal shape as well for a closed forced. P for polyline, and I indicate the polyline. And now on the right hand side, you will see it says 3D polyline. Now this 3D polyline is normally applicable if you want to create a spline, say for instance, for cabling between posts. So the command that I've used to create this 3D polyline was under draw, 3D primitives, and there's the 3D polyline command. So the spline command is also applicable to my 3D polyline. So we go to draw, circle arc, and we go down to spline. And with this one, it's going to be an open forced. I'm going to click open forced, P for polyline, and I'm going to indicate my 3D polyline. So as soon as I'm going to orbit it, now you will see that now I've created splines by using a normal 2D polylines as a reference, or even a 3D polyline.